Itange korua sobo kurume anene soko na chebina heye ne nkwana yaye Martha Koome yoromo na chebino munene haigeme yensi ya Kenya asaya kwana somo yiga bo kwigora na gocha kibigambero hebyo biko na chebine bike biri hanene bye Kenyumba enyimanyekane tubuna alternative justice system ase county ya Kisii. Koome niga bachikaba na chebina banyare gokora hegasi yabo sobwene chingaki chobona chebina.
To caution ourselves, even as we deliver this baby of 8 years, one thing we have to protect it from is matters of corruption or bribery. This we have said many times as the judiciary. We practice and encourage the policy of no corruption in the judiciary, because indeed corruption in all its formats, bribery is a crime. And therefore, if we are delivering justice for all those of us who are people of faith know it comes from God. Justice cannot be delivered with one hand and the other hand is committing a crime of taking a bribe. And that's why we have also another platform of integrity committee in every court. The integrity committee is made up of us, the lawyers who practice before us, because they are the link between us and the litigants we serve. We have the DPP, we have the EACC, also as members of the Integrity Committee. What we are telling the public is that we are paid by you through your taxes that you pay. And therefore there is no justification for anybody to ask for a bribe so that they can give a favorable judgment, a ruling, or a order.